Good morning dear students, this is Bonani Porokasto. I welcome you all to today's video. Here we are doing the chapter Continuity and Differentiability. Here we are starting with example 34. It is derivative of function in parametric form. So here we have to find dy by dx if x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta. So see, here we have three variables x, y and theta. X is a function of theta, y is a function of theta. Here the third variable theta is called the parameter. So to do this kind of question, to find dy by dx, first of all we will differentiate this with respect to theta. So, d by d theta x is equal to d by d theta a cos theta. So dx by d theta is equal to a minus sin theta. So minus a sin theta. In the same way we will differentiate this with respect to theta. So dy by d theta is equal to a cos theta. Now to find dy by dx, we have to divide dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So a cos theta by minus a sin theta. From here we will get minus cot theta. So whenever we have to find dy by dx and x is a function of theta, y is a function of theta, that means some other variable, the third variable, and the third variable is called parameter, and derivative of this kind of functions are called derivatives of functions in parametric form. Example 37, here we have to find dy by dx if x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3. This is a different kind of question of parametric form. So first of all we will assume that x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta. Here you can also assume x is equal to a sin cube theta in place of a cos cube theta and y is equal to a cos cube theta in place of this a sin cube theta. Now see, x to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a cos cube theta to the power 2 by 3. So from here we will get x to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3 cos square theta. In the same way, from here also we will get y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3 sin square theta. Now if we add x to the power 2 by 3 and y to the power 2 by 3, we will get a to the power 2 by 3 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So our assumption is correct. We have assumed x equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta because in our question the third variable is not given. So now we have the third variable and the third variable is theta, which is the parameter. Now we will differentiate x with respect to theta and we will differentiate y with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is equal to a 3 cos square theta minus sin theta and dy by d theta is equal to a 3 sin square theta cos theta. Now we will find dy by dx. So to find dy by dx, we will divide dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So a 3 sin square theta cos theta by a 3 cos square theta within bracket minus sin theta. So from here we will get minus sin theta by cos theta. From here we will get minus tan theta. Since our question is not given in terms of theta, we have to replace theta in our answer also. So from our assumption we have to find tan theta. So see, y by x is equal to a sin cube theta by a cos cube theta. So from here we can say y by x is equal to tan cube theta and tan theta is equal to cube root y by x. From here we can say dy by dx is equal to minus cube root y by x. Question number 6 of exercise 5.6. Here x is equal to a within bracket theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a within bracket 1 plus cos theta. So here we have to find dy by dx. Here the parameter is theta and a is the constant. So first of all we will differentiate x with respect to theta, and from here we will get dx by d theta is equal to a within bracket 1 minus cos theta, and we will differentiate y with respect to theta. So dy by d theta is equal to a within bracket minus sin theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So from here we will get minus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. We can keep our answer up to this step, but if you want to simplify more, then we have to write sin theta as sin 2 theta by 2 and cos theta as cos 2 theta by 2. Now here we will apply the formula of sin 2 theta, which is 2 sin theta cos theta. So here we will write 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2, because cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So from here we can write 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Now from here we will get minus cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. So the answer is minus cot theta by 2. Sometimes the questions are given not only to differentiate but also to prove. If the question is given in this way, that we have to prove dy by dx is equal to minus cot theta by 2, then we have to do up to this step. So it is important to learn how to simplify the answer.